Hello friends, today I want to give a summary of the introduction of Immortal Talks. Immortal Talks means the immortal God Lord Hanuman, whatever he has left as messages for his devotees, the Mahatangs, the forest dwellers. Okay, who finds these out? Hanudas. Hanudas is disciple of Gurudeva, who has told him to find his where find his find for what he was born, what is his purpose in life. So what is that how does Gurudeva instruct him? Gurudeva says that normal way how people have to live in this world is get instructions from your Lord, and the Lord will tell your soul, the soul will direct your mind, and the mind must control the Maya and do what it is supposed to do in this world. But is it happening this way? No, it is the Maya which is dictating terms on the mind, and that's how the human are behaving. So what he has told is, so what is the purpose you have to find out? That is the pure soul or the aware soul. It knows who it is and where it is headed. So one day he finds so one day what he does, he just leaves everything. He leaves his guru, he takes his blessing, and then he travels all around the world and tries to lull his mind by not forming any thoughts like good, this is bad, this is nice, this is worse. No such thoughts. Never form any thoughts in your mind. Whatever happens in the world, let it happen. Just keep listening, just observe. That is how you'll make your mind to rest. When your mind rests, only your body, your soul will be able to get its instructions from the Lord, and then you can do you will know what is the purpose of your soul, and you will know who you are, and what where you are headed. Okay, so that is the lesson that we have to take from this chapter.